my channel. I am new to YouTube and posting videos, so please bear with me. But if you hang tight, we will have some fun. Here on our little homestead, we do many things, one of which is my newest adventure and passion, which is starting to use a portable bandsaw mill, which just arrived 10 minutes ago. So I'm very excited to get it to its new home, and we'll see what happens. But there she is. She's a Woodland Mills HM122 9.5 horsepower. I can do up to a 20-inch log, 10-foot long, and we're gonna have some fun with her and make some lumber. The way lumber is these days, she's expensive. So bear with me and hang tight, and we'll be back. Okay folks, she's here. She's in her crate. I took off the top cover and got a look inside. There's a nice big Kohler engine, 9.5 horse, and some boxes of parts that I'm about to rip into and see how she goes. So I'll keep you updated as we go along. My little chicken girls are doing well. Alright y'all, I have gotten the mill out of the box, out of the crate. The crate and the pallets are over there, thusly, cardboard over here. And the mill is in pieces. So some assembly required, no big deal. And we get the rails, other miscellaneous parts, arms, rails, boxes to unload, and the beauty, the power horse, the Woodland Mills HM122 power head with saw blade. I do know from other videos, watching other people unbox and put these things together, that they recommend releasing the tension on the blades. It is shipped under tension, but they say when not using it, release the tension. So it's always been perplexing to people as to why the head is shipped under tension. So I immediately released it, and I'm gonna start unboxing and putting some stuff together, and I'll check back with you again. Alright folks, day 3 of having some time to spend on the build on the Woodland Mills portable bandsaw mill. I've got the head assembly all together. Took me a few hours this morning, or a couple hours this morning. A couple hours on the track the other days, but you know, life happens and work happens, so here we are. A few things about the mill installation that weren't clear in the instructions, but that's not what we're here for. So got past those. Luckily I have some hands-on knowledge. So now we're at the point where the mill is over to the track, and I've got to muscle it up onto the track with a little ingenuity, but I'll get it. So I will check back in with you once I get it up on the track, and here we go. Alright folks, she's on the track. I used Yankee ingenuity with some blocks of wood and my good old trusty jack. Got her up on the rails. She rails nicely. I got some oil and gasoline in the engine compartment, and I have a first log here on the track. So I'm going to set you up, and we're going to have a first cut. I'm very excited for this. I've been waiting for this for months. Now we're here. I will normally have a proper tripod for all this, but for the sake of time, bear with me. that's, I know I've got a little wonk in my post, but for a fence outside, I'm okay with that. So I have a little more learning and playing to do with the setup and maybe the leveling, but overall I think good start to learning the milling process. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to like this video and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. So I'm signing off for now, and until the next one, see y'all.